In this video, I will show you how to add Payoneer account to Fiverr. So first of all, you have to open up a web browser of your choice and search for fiverr.com. Now on the website, you very simply have to log into your profile. On your profile's main interface, you will see all sorts of ads that are posted by people using this application. So from here, you very simply have to click on switch to selling and open up your selling profile. Now, on your profile, you have to click on my business that is present on the help bar. Now, click on earnings. On your earnings, you will see all of your payments that are being cleared and all of your payments that you have earned to date. So from here, you have to click on add payout method. Now you will be asked to select the payout method, so you simply have to select Payoneer account and tap on continue. Once you click on continue, you will receive a verification code on your email or the phone number that is associated with your Payoneer account. So you very simply have to enter that code and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be able to easily connect your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.